This time in Hirakud, teams are really doing a great job. In Toolbox Talk, we usually connect every shift with all our workmen, our supervisors, and our shop floor members. So they have started making them understand about Reprism.
Welcome to yet another edition of Reprism 2024 Next Verse. Reprism is an electrifying platform made by Aditya Birla Group dedicated solely to celebrate manufacturing excellence.
2020, the year of pandemic, and you can't believe what journey we have traversed, but the only thing we could do was the culture and the change the mindset. So due to this, we have done a lot of cultural transformation in this last 2 great golden years.
At Hirakud Cast House, we believe in best-in-class systems in terms of safety, processes and quality. We take pride in being the first ever cast house pan-India for implementing the hands-free casting.
The major focus has been introduced for the manual intensive process of this anode reducer, which causes high risks, high hazards. This ownership culture introduced and empowering to identify individual hazards.
स्पॉटलाइन 1 में एंट्रेंस पे एक इमरजेंसी स्टॉप साइन बनाया है। वहाँ पर अचानक अगर ट्रेन का मूवमेंट होता है तो ट्रेन इससे पहले कि सेंटर में आए स्टॉप साइन हमारा काम करता है।
हमने ऑफ द जॉब सेफ्टी में सिर्फ अपने कॉलोनी प्रीमाइसेस को ही नहीं, बाहर को भी इंक्लूड करा है। जो हम प्लांट में फोकस करते हैं सेफ्टी का, वैसा ही फोकस हमारा कॉलोनी में रहता है।
बेसिकली लास्ट 5 ईयर में सेफ्टी में बहुत सारा इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है।
Through co-created digitalization projects like data management platforms, OT cybersecurity, machine learning driven digital twins, AI and IoT based various digital solutions, we are enhancing data security, transparency and database decision making.
We delved deep into the data ki dunya, and to follow that, we had first industry to create digital logbooks.
In this digital experience center, our team members count for a immersive and hands-on experience on the digital initiative.
We have upgraded our old age panels of 1970s with ArcFlash monitoring relays.
In Hindalco Hirakud, we have a unique facility of instrumentation and calibration lab. We repair in-house and save huge amount of money.
This is the first GIS in Hindalco which we have successfully installed in Hirakud smelter. हिंडाल्को हीराकुद स्मेल्टर लैब में हम लोग का 2 यूनिक फीचर्स है। एक न्यूली कमीशन XRF है जिसमें एक स्टैंडर्डलेस सॉफ्टवेयर है यूनिफॉर्म, दूसरा है हम लोग का मेटल एनालाइजर।
We are also the first to sign MOU with Indian Institute of Management, Sambalpur, as a part of continuing education policy for our own employees.
This year we have done huge investment on ZLD projects, which will reduce our water consumption by 30%. In terms of biodiversity, Hindalco Hirakud has implemented various initiatives.
For the last 2 years, Hindalco Hirakud has done a lot of job in sustainability front, and one of them is the installation and commissioning of new biodecomposer machine. Per day, around 2000 kg of organic waste generated from different sources, and the composted manure can be used in the garden.
हिंडाल्को हीराकुद का एसपीएल स्किनिंग प्लांट जो इंडिया का एकलौता एसपीएल स्किनिंग प्लांट है। हम लोग का जो वेस्ट है वो वेस्ट सीमेंट प्लांट के लिए एक वेल्थ हो गया।
We doing the celebration on a departmental basis, and that is reflecting our team bonding, team inspiration. And during the team celebration, suppose anyone is having a grievances, that will be liquidated during the discussion, during the parties, during the get together.
You will see that the people on the soft floor is now very much aware about the Reprism. They are also conducted the sessions and involved the family members in various activities.
आपने जो हिंडाल्को का है वन ऑफ द बेस्ट DT अकोमोडेशन प्रोवाइड करा है, विच इज एयर कंडीशन अकोमोडेशन नोवेयर इन द हिंडाल्को। हम लोग बहुत कॉन्शियस है क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ को लेके, और उसका इम्पैक्ट हमारे प्रोडक्शन में पड़ता है।
We celebrate as a single family. We engage all the DTs, GTs.
Our township is located near a very iconic place, that is Hirakud Dam, which is the longest dam of Asia. We go a lot of time for picnics, outings, and we spend a lot of quality times with our families and friends.
हमारे हिंडाल्को इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड में RS कॉलोनी है। यहाँ पे ऑडिटोरियम है, हमारा ये DLC क्लब है जिसमें हम जुम्बा क्लासेस, जिम, ऑल फैसिलिटी है।
हमारे हीराकुद कॉलोनी में हम बास्केटबॉल खेल सकते हैं, हम क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, स्विमिंग कर सकते हैं और भी बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स।
These kids, they are physically better, they learn team spirit, they are mentally more agile, and they will learn the culture, how to help each other, work together.
This is Hindalco Hirakud Healthcare Center, serving 3-4 plants together in this place. 10,000 people are taking benefit from this hospital. This is a NABH certified hospital. We are one of the first group of hospitals to get this certification. This is our employee feedback system.
Our aim is one team and one dream.
Here at Hirakud, we have all been pushing boundaries in manufacturing of aluminium. A huge thanks to all of you for your unwavering dedication and tireless efforts.
I'm congratulating the teams and wishing them all the best. Thank you.